Ito ang latest chika mga kamarites. May bet na girl si Donnie. Tita ibinuging si Donnie Pangilinan kung sino talagang bet niya sa babae. Nako, sino kaya? Ito nga ang kwento niya. Alam nyo, ang gusto niya sa babae, simple, it's kind. The kind of girl who's not just beautiful, but has a heart that's pure and kind. The one whose calm energy makes everything feel lighter and safer. I love the way she talks, the way she smiles, and how she still cares so deeply even when she's tired. She's simple but special, soft but strong, and real in every way. And above all, she's the kind of person who would never let me face anything alone. At kung sino? Si Belle nga po.